In traditional online shopping, customers usually select a product and purchase it as it is. However, many businesses today offer personalized products where customers want to customize items before placing an order. They may want to choose different colors, add custom text, upload images, or select different design options. WP Configurator Builder allows WooCommerce store owners to create interactive product configurators directly on their websites. With this plugin, standard WooCommerce products can be transformed into personalized shopping experiences where customers can customize product before completing a purchase. In this video, I will walk you through the complete process, including activating the free trial, installing the plugin, exploring the main features, adding different customization options, and testing the final customer experience. We will use an existing t-shirt configurator and extend it by adding image upload, product color selection, text customization, and other stuff. So let's get started by creating our account and exploring how WP Configurator Builder works. We are already inside the WordPress dashboard. After receiving access, we can activate the free trial and start exploring the available features. The free trial allows businesses to test the plugin, understand workflow, and see how product customization can be added to their WooCommerce store before making a decision. After that, we can activate the Pro version to access the complete set of customization features. Once the plugin file has been downloaded, we can install it through the WordPress dashboard. First, I open the plugin section and click on Add New. Next, I click on Upload Plugin and select WP Configurator Builder plugin file and click on Install Now. And after that, activate it. After activation, WP Configurator Builder adds a dedicated section to the WordPress dashboard where we can create and manage product configurators. Now that the plugin is installed and ready, let's explore the main structure of WP Configurator Builder before creating our customization options. Before we start adding customization options, let's first take a quick look at how WP Configurator Builder is organized and understand the main structure of the plugin. Inside the WordPress dashboard, we can see that WP Configurator Builder provides different sections for managing the complete product customization experience. The first section is configurations. This is where we can create and manage customizable products, and here we can also see the existing t-shirt configurator that is already prepared in demo environment. Instead of creating a completely new configurator from scratch, we will use this existing t-shirt product and expand it by adding new customization features. If we open t-shirt configurator, we can see the main structure behind product customization process. Different elements such as product options, customer choices, and visual updates are connected together to create the interactive experience. The next section is choices. This is where we manage different options customers can select when customizing a product. For example, we can create choices for colors, designs, or other product variations. Another important section is input fields. This allows us to collect additional information from customers. For example, we can add fields where customers can enter personalized text or upload their own images. In this tutorial, we will use input fields to add custom text and image upload functionality. We also have visual section, which controls how customization changes appear in the product preview. When customers change colors, add text, or upload images, visuals help display those updates correctly in final product view. This section is especially important when working with image uploads because it controls how uploaded images and other customization elements appear on the product. The plugin also includes templates. Templates are not used for creating layouts. Instead, they are predefined combinations of attributes and values that allows us quickly apply a specific configuration setup and speed up the customization process. We also here have formulas which can be used for more advanced logic and calculations based on customer selection. And finally, the settings section, which provides general configuration options for managing the plugin and customizing how the configurator works. Now that we understand the main structure of WP Configurator Builder, we can start modifying the existing t-shirt configurator. Now let's start extending our t-shirt configurator by adding the first customization feature. I open the input field section and click on Add New to create a new input field. First, I entered the title and label as Upload Your Design. And after that, I select File Upload as an input type, because this option allows customers to upload their own logo, artwork, or design file and apply it to the product. Here I can also configure additional settings such as allowed file types and maximum file size, helping businesses control what customers can upload. Next, I need to open Visuals tab. This section is an important part of configuration because it controls how uploaded content is displayed within the product preview, and depending on the customization requirement, it allows us to define how uploaded elements interact with product and how they are presented to customers during customization process. And after reviewing these all settings, I click on Publish to save the new image upload field. After adding the image upload option, let's continue by creating a product color customization feature. I need to click on Add New and create the attribute called T-shirt color. Next, I enter the title and label is T-shirt color again. For the display type, I select List, which allows me to present each color option with its own image. Now I can also make some adjustments and add available color choices. I need to click on Add option and create first color, black. Then upload corresponding t-shirt image. Next, I repeat the same process for red and upload a t-shirt image. Finally, I add yellow and upload its corresponding image as well. Using images for each option provides customers with a clear visual representation of the available product colors, making the selection process easier and more intuitive. Next, I open the Details tab. Here we can customize how the color options are displayed across different devices by configuring the number of items shown per row for desktop, tablet, and mobile. This helps create a responsive layout and improves the customer experience on different screen sizes. After that, I need to open Visuals tab, as Visual section controls how the selected color option is represented within the configurator and allows us to manage how visual elements are displayed. Once everything is configured, I review the settings and click on Publish button to save the new color customization option. After adding the image upload and product color options, let's continue by adding text customization. First, I open the input field section and click on Add New to create a new text input field. I set the title as T-shirt name, and this field allows customers to enter personalized tags such as name, messages, or custom wording that will be displayed on their product. Next, I move on to Choices section. Click on Add New to create new font selection options. Name it as text font. For the type, select font, and for the template, I will choose list. Now I need to add some available font options, including Arial, Roboto, and the remaining ones. These choices allows customers to personalize the appearance of their text and select the styles that best matches their preferences. Next, I need to open Visuals tab. In the Visual Reference field, I select T-shirt name, and in the Visual Property field, I enter font family. This configuration links the selected font to the T-shirt name input field, allowing customers' personalized tags to automatically update using the chosen font style in the product preview. After reviewing the settings, I need to click on Publish button to save the font customization options. After adding the text and font customization, let's continue by creating icon customization options. First, I create a new choice called Icon Type. For this option, I select the button group template. I use a button group because it gives customers a quick and simple way to choose the category of icons they want before selecting a specific icon, and add two choices, regular and religious. After reviewing settings, I click on Publish to save the new option. Next, I need to create another choice called Icon. Here again, I need to make some necessary configuration settings, and after that, start adding available icons. First, I add the star icon and upload its corresponding image. Next, I add heart, uploading its image, and finally crown and lining with its images. These icon options give customers another way to personalize their product by adding decorative symbols based on their preferences. And after reviewing all settings, again I click on Publish button to save the icon customization. Now let's connect all of our customization options inside T-shirt configurator. I open the configurator and begin adding the customization fields that customers will use during the personalization process. First, I add upload your design, followed by T-shirt color and text font. Next, I need to place icon type, but before icon. This order is important because customers should first choose the category of icons they want and then select specific icon from that category. And after arranging the fields, I open the icon configuration to organize the available icons. Now I assign each icon to its corresponding category. For the star icon, I select regular as its icon type. Next, I assign the heart icon to the regular category as well. Then I assign the crown to the religious category, and finally lightning to religious category as well. And by assigning each icon to an icon type, the configurator can organize the available options based on the customer's selection. This creates a cleaner and more intuitive customization experience because customers only see the icons that belong to the category they choose. After reviewing the configuration, I click on Save to apply the changes. Now that we have completed the configuration, let's take a look at the final result and see how WP Configurator Builder transforms a standard WooCommerce product into fully interactive customization experience. With a completed configurator, customers can personalize the product by adding their own images, selecting colors, choosing fonts, and using conditional option to create a product that matches their preferences. The biggest advantage of WP Configurator is the flexibility it provides. Businesses can create simple or advanced product configurations depending on their needs, while giving customers an easy way to preview and customize their products before making a purchase. By combining different customization features, WooCommerce stores can create more engaging shopping experience and offer personalized products without requiring customers to communicate their requirements separately. Overall, WP Configurator Builder is a powerful solution for WooCommerce stores that want to offer customizable products and provide customers with a better purchasing experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more WordPress plugin tutorials, reviews, and product walkthroughs.